Hi everyone. So in today's video, I will be talking about different rhyme schemes. So to begin with, I chose a song that I really like that I recently discovered. It's called Northern Attitude by Noah Kahan. And in this song, there are a couple different rhyming techniques that are used, so I'm going to be talking about that. So I'm going to keep it simple and talk about two different rhyming techniques. The first one is slant rhyme or near rhyme. It's when you have the same consonants or different vowels together, or different consonants and the same vowel. So some examples of this are ways and grace as a pair, and hate and shape. So for both of those examples, they have the same vowel sound but different consonant sounds. In the song Northern Attitude, there's an example of this in the verse and also in the chorus. So I'll talk a little bit about the verse first. So I've color-coded the last words of each line in the verse 1. And it goes like this: breathing in, breathing out, how you been, you settled down. You feeling right, you feeling proud. How are your kids, where are they now? So the words out, down, proud, and now all have the same vowel sound, but they have different consonant sounds. This allows the songwriter to have more creativity with their song choices. So, for example, it wouldn't be very creative if every line ended with words like out, shout, or words that continue that same vowel sound but ends with a T. Or another example of this would be ending each line with words like down, frown, gown, and so on. You can see a similar pattern in the chorus, and it goes like this: if I get too close and I'm not how you hoped, forgive my northern attitude, oh, I was raised out in the cold. If the sun don't rise till the summertime, forgive my northern attitude, oh, I was raised on little light. So in the first part of the chorus, every word except attitude, so close, hoped, and cold, all have that O sound as their vowel, but have different consonants in them. It's the same for the second part of the chorus, where the lines have words like rise, summertime, and light. So they all have that I vowel but end with different consonants, like S on rise, M with summertime, and T with light. So now I will talk about the next type of rhyme, which is perfect or exact rhyme, where you have the same vowel sounds and they're stressed in the same places. So for example, mountain and fountain. So one example of this in the song is in the pre-chorus, where it says, so the pre-chorus goes like this: you build a boat, you build a life, you lose your friends, you lose your wife, you settle in to routine, where are you, what does it mean? So I've color-coded life and wife as red because they both are exact rhymes. They both have the same vowel sound and they have the same consonant sound. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. And if there are any other songs or topics that you'd like me to go over or look at in more detail, just leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.